was a blinding fever, a temporary blaze, a spike in the blood, a hallucinated maze. But the heat dissipates, the thermometer drops, and the hacking in the throat is the sound that never stops. We survive the high temperature, broken and weak, left with a chronic wheeze every time we speak. It's not the sharp inferno that tears us apart, it's the endless dry coughing in the core of the heart. Time is a prowler stepping soft on the floor. He empties your pockets and glides out the door. You don't see the theft till your options are gone, left with the receipt of the years you were drawn. But age, do your worst, I won't cry for the loss. I'll stand in the daylight and shoulder the cross. No begging for refunds, no cowardly plea. I accept the strict terms of this reality. We emptied our wallets for a rigged roulette. Now we're walking right out of the room of regret. The chips are down, the dealer wins. Stop hunting mirages in a desert of glass. We can't freeze the moments that are destined to pass. Why do we argue with the portraits on the wall, defending a kingdom that was destined to fall? Open your grip, abandon the ruins of the sinking ship. I'm tearing up the scripts of the arguments we had, pitying the younger me, so arrogant and mad. He thought he could command how the universe bends, refusing to accept how the narrative ends. I forgive his blind gambles, the desperate charade. I'm stepping right out of the labyrinth he made. The contract is void and the debts are wiped clean. I'm washing my hands of the things that have been. The useless debates have been laid in the dirt. I'm stripping the badges of the pride and the heart. Stop hunting mirages in a desert of glass. We can't freeze the moments that are destined to pass. I'm dropping the vanity, the stubborn parade, resting in the silence that the aftermath made. Open your grip, abandon the ruins of the sinking ship. Nostalgia is a liar with a comforting face, keeping us tethered to a desolate place. But the knot has been sliced and the tether is gone. The delusion is shattered, the curtain is drawn.